let's discuss the concept of the Condorcet candidate. So, for example, if there are 5 candidates, let me label them A, B, C, D, and E. 5 candidates. If we wanted to look at the different pairwise or one-on-one comparisons, we would have A needing 1, 2, 3, 4 comparisons. B would need 3 additional comparisons. C would need 2 more comparisons. And finally, D would need 1 additional comparison. If you look at these, every candidate has been compared with everyone else. So like E, one red link, that's the A comparison, the blue one, the B comparison, the black one, the C comparison, and the green one, the D comparison. Everyone has been compared to the other 4 candidates. Now, how many total one-on-one comparisons are there? Well, there's 4 red ones, plus 3 more blue ones, plus 2 more black ones, plus 1 more green one. This is for 5 candidates. For 5 candidates, any candidate is going to have 4 comparisons. The reason why these numbers go down is we've already accounted for some of the comparisons. No candidates compared to another candidate twice. So what we have is a total of 10 different comparisons. Okay, so if there are 5 candidates, how many one-to-one comparisons does each candidate have? So if we were to just take C, 1, 2, 3, 4 different comparisons. Anyone you take, D, 1, 2, 3, 4 comparisons. So how many one-to-one comparisons does each candidate have? 4. This pairwise comparison, of course, is the basis of the Copeland's method, or the pairwise comparison method, but it's also useful for the Condorcet candidate. The Condorcet candidate is the one that wins every one of their comparisons. So with 5 people involved, the Condorcet candidate would win all 4 of their comparisons. How many of those comparisons does the candidate need to win? All 4. So the Condorcet candidate is the one that is preferred over their other candidates in every one-on-one battle. If using the pairwise comparison voting method, how many points are assigned in total? Since there are 10 comparisons, 10 points would be assigned in total. How many points would the Condorcet candidate earn? Well, they are in 4 total, and they have to win all 4 of them. So, if you are doing the pairwise comparison method, and you find that one person gets 4 points, they are going to win the pairwise comparison method, because no one can get more than 4 points. And furthermore, if A received 4 points, they beat the other candidates. So none of the other ones could get 4 points because they already lost to A. So the most someone could get is 4 for 5 candidates. If they get 4, they're the Condorcet candidate, and they'll guaranteed win the pairwise comparison method, because the Condorcet candidate always wins the pairwise comparison method. However, the pairwise comparison method can be won by someone that's not the Condorcet candidate, because that's just whoever had the most of these 10 points to give out. All right, I hope this makes sense. The Condorcet candidate and the pairwise comparison method are very closely related. Okay, great.